Welcome back to Little Preps. Please, if today is your first day of visiting this channel, kindly subscribe so that you enjoy more exciting questions. Thank you. We're having 2 exponent x multiplied by x exponent 1 is equal to 2 exponent 8 on 8 log 10. Okay, so this we can express this as 2 exponent x multiplied by, now in this is x exponent 1 is the same as 1 on x, okay? So multiply by 1 on x, which is equal to 2 exponent 8. Now, log 10 is the same as log 10 base 10, okay, which is equal to 1. So, you can say that 2 exponent 8 on 8, okay? So now, we can say that this one is 2 exponent x on x, which is equal to 2 exponent 8 on 8, okay? So, in this case, we multiply both sides by 8 and x, okay? So we multiply this by 8 by x, this one by 8 by x, okay? So you can see that 8 will cancel 8 here, then x will cancel x here. So at this side, we are going to get 2 exponent x, bracket 8, is equal to, then we have x into bracket 2 exponent 8, okay? So anyhow you write it, you're going to get the same answer. Or you can rewrite it as 2 exponent x multiplied by 8. It's the same as 2 exponent 8 multiplied by x, okay? So let's take it from here. Now, you can say that this, you go for this, okay? When you compare, then this one go for this. So you say that 2 exponent x is equal to 2 exponent 8, okay? And then we also have 8 is equal to x, okay? So let's solve this first. So we have, since the bases are the same, we say that x is equal to 8. And here we have the same thing, s is equal to 8, okay? So it means that our x is 8. Now let's check. Let's verify to see if indeed our x is equal to 8. So we are having 2 exponent x multiplied by x exponent 1, and which is equal to 2 exponent 8 over 8 log 10. So now, when x is equal to 8, we have 2 exponent 8, okay, multiplying by 1 on 8 is equal to 2 exponent 8 on 8. Okay, so 2 exponent 8 is 256 multiplied by 1 on 8, okay, which is equal to, then 2 exponent 8 is 256 on 8, okay? So 8 goes into itself 1, it goes into 256 32 times, okay? Then 8 goes here 1, goes into this one 32 times. So 32 times 1 is 32, which is equal to this one to get 32. So it means that indeed our x is equal to 8. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to our channel so that we enjoy more tricky questions together. Bye bye.